looking at a glow plug controller. It turns the glow plugs on for my Ford diesel truck. Well, I'm going to install that now. A fan from Sweden sent it to me, so I'll see if I can get my Ford truck running all by itself without having to tow it anymore. It's plus 4 degrees Celsius. It's never started that cold before. I have no idea if the motor has enough compression to start it at that cool temperature, even with a good controller. So, got to get that air cleaner off. It's behind that. Let's find out. As you can see how I've got my snorkel tube going outside and everything's sealed with roofing goo. Now there's the old one way back in all that mud and shit from the pond. Now I gotta get it out. Come on, let go. Well, that was the muddy old one. Time for the new one. Oh, my radiator is so fucked. I might as well pull that out at the same time. It looks exactly the same. Hope it works. She's in there now. I just gotta get 2 batteries. Well, I got my fucked radiator out at the same time. I'll have to see if I can get another one. And you can see why the cab mounts or rad cradle mounts don't exist, because of rust. The rad cradle's in pieces. There's a bit of metal left on that one. But there ain't much holding the radiator in. If I can get another rad, I'm gonna have to weld up a whole new front end for this pig. Okay, we got 2 batteries. If this thing starts under its own power, it'll be the very first time, especially on a cold day. Oh, look at the rust. I wonder if there's any bees. Haha, the same 3-degree bees are still there. Oh, it's actually alive. Look at that. Holy crap. 1 bee left alive. That must be the queen. We're definitely going to have more bees next year then. Look at all those fried bees I flamethrowed. Gotta love it. All set. Is that glow plug controller supposed to click? Because I don't hear it clicking. It says wait to start, so let's see what happens. Alright, here we go. Oh, let's try again. The old one used to do lots of clickings. It actually fired a little. Here we go again. Try again. It's cranking good. Come on. Try again. I can smell the diesel. You piece of shit! Fuck! Try again. I think I should be hearing that thing clicking, but it's not, so maybe it doesn't work. I don't think it works. It never clicked once. Fuck. It's got a solenoid on it. It should at least click. Oh well, it was worth a try. I'll crank a bit longer. Come on. Come on. Well, that was my two best batteries. No luck. Now, I guess it makes a good video for the guys who like fetishes. Piece of shit.